Hey guys, how's it going? How to analyze the impact of TikTok's ban on social media. To analyze the impact of TikTok ban on social media, you need to use data. You need to basically go to websites like Do Finder to analyze the last year's usage of platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And as you can see right here, over the years, Facebook has been increasing, right? You're gonna be able right to see the Facebook now at 77%. So in the landscape of the US social media, Facebook stands as an unrivaled leader, commanding a significant 77% share of social network usage. Next, you have the YouTube, 65%, and 56% Instagram, and TikTok, 45%. As a rising star in the social media, TikTok captures noteworthy 45 share of usage in the US, known for its short form videos and creative expression. Okay, so for now, basically, Facebook in the lead, right, takes 77% of the shares. And you can also use the cultural trends. Study shifts in meme cultures. Go back to your screen, then go ahead to Facebook, to the X, and study the shifts in meme culture, challenges, and short form content trends. And make sure that you choose which platform that has most influence when it comes to basically making memes and the best short form videos. You can use X or you can use Instagram as an example for that, right? So data, analyze the reports and case studies from tech businesses and cultural analysis sources, and you can use cultural trends like in social media and analyze how influential are there uh, in terms of short form content and memes. So let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.